Today we are going to talk about 8051 timers. 8051 microcontrollers have two timers which work on the clock frequency. Timer can be used for time delay generation and counting external events, etc. Now, 80 in timer. 8051 has two timers, timer 0 and timer 1. Both are 16-bit wide. Since 8051 has an 8-bit architecture, each of these is accessed by two separate 8-bit registers shown in the figure. These registers are used to load timer count. 8051 has a timer mode register and a timer control register for controlling uh, for selecting a mode of operation and controlling purpose. Now, to timer 0. Mode 0 is a 13-bit timer mode for which 8-bit of THX and 5-bit of TLX are used. It is mostly interfacing possible with old MCS48 family microcontrollers. As shown in the above figure, 8-bit of THX and lower 5-bit of TLX used to form a total 13-bit timer. Higher 3 bits of TLX should be returned as 0 while using timer mode 0, or it will affect the result. Now, the timer mode 0 program will be explained by my friend Tanusha.
This is Tanusha. The code for timer 0 function is, in this code, we use reg51.h file and SPT is a PN0. In timer delay function, we use 8-bit to TH0 and 5-bit value to the TL0. And we stop the timer while TF0 equals to 0 is used to wait until the timer 0 flag is set. We will stop the timer and clear the timer 0 flag in the main function. In main function, we assign the 0x00 value to the T mode, and while 1 will execute the infinite loop. We will toggle the test pin and call the time delay function. That's it. Next, my friend Radhakrishna will execute the code for timer 0. Thank you.
Now coming to the execution of mode 0. First we create the project name timer, and then we load the C program in which we have written the code. Now we right click on the target one and choose the options for target one, and then we set the frequency to the 11.0592, and then we check this box and then click OK. Now we build the code. Sorry, first we have to add the file in which we have written the code to the source group 1. As now we see the file is added, and then now we build the code. Now we see here there is no with 0 errors and 0 warning, and then we run the debugging. Now we go to the tools, we go to peripherals and IO ports to the port 1. We uncheck all the bits except the last one. And then now we open the performance analyzer and then setup. We will double click on the time delay and then define and then close. Now we start running and then stop. Here we see that the average time is 0.000996, which is nearly equal to 1 millihertz, and hence the demonstration of mode 0 is complete. Now the mode 1 is introduced by my friend Vinay.
Hello everyone, I am Vinay and I am going to explain the mode 1 timer register. Mode 1 is a 16-bit mode used to generate a delay. It uses 8-bit of THX and 8-bit of TLX to form 16-bit register. In mode 1, required count to generate delay is equal to delay time by machine cycle. In mode 1, the maximum count is 2 power 16, that is 65,535, and it increments from 0 to 2 power 16. So we need to load count value which is less than 2 power 16. We need additional 13 machine cycles from call to return of delay function. Value needed to be loaded is 65,535 minus count plus function minus n cycles plus 1. Load the higher byte of the value to the th naught and lower byte of the value to tl naught. Thank you. And I pass on to Kamlesh. Thank you.
This is Kamlesh, and these are the programming steps for delay function in timer mode 1. We use the register 51.h header file and set the SPH to P10. The following are the programming steps. We begin by loading 1 to Tmod register, which signifies that the timer is operating in mode 1. And then we load the THX with E3 in hexadecimal units, and we load 14 into TLX. And then we start the timer by setting a TRX bit. Here we use TR0 is equal to 1. We poll the TFX flag till it does not get set, and we stop the timer by clearing TRX bit. Here TR0 is equal to 0. We clear the timer flag TFX bit. Here TF0 is equal to 0, and we repeat the steps for the delay again. Now I pass on to my friend Krishna.
Okay, now coming to the mode 1 in timer. Now we add timer 1 file to the source group 1 and then close. Now we can see the timer 1 file is added. Now we build the program with 0. We can see here there are no errors and warnings, and then we run the debugging. Now we go to the peripherals LIVO ports to the port 1. Again, like in mode 0, we uncheck all the bits except the last one. And then we check and then we open the performance analyzer setup, and I find close. We again run. And then stop. Now we can see that the average time is 0.00996, which is also equal to nearly equal to 1 millihertz, and hence the demonstration of the mode 1 timer mode 1 is complete. Thank you. అరే అయిపోయిందిరా. హలో మాట్లాడండి.
సరే
ఓకే
సరే
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఆఫ్ చేయాలంటే
కమలేష్
కాదు
సేవ్ రికార్డింగ్ అని చేసి
ఇప్పుడు రికార్డింగ్ స్టాప్ చేయనా?
స్టాప్ చేయ.
ఇప్పుడు మీటింగ్ ఎండ్ చేస్తే
రికార్డింగ్ స్టాప్ చేయనప్పుడు
స్టాప్ చెయ్యు.